cup chips. I'm also doing the old El Paso kit, the basket kit. I'll show you what it looks like. It's the pocket kit, sorry, the tortilla pocket kits, that's what we're doing. So I've got those there, just to pop in the oven just to warm through quickly. The salsa's there, which I will pop into little individual bowls. And then over here I've just done 3 bowls of salads. We've got homegrown lettuce in there. We've got tomatoes, radish, red, orange and yellow peppers and a spring onion, and they're all the same, those, and cucumber. Actually these two have got cucumber, that one hasn't, as Luke hates it. I've got an avocado here to cut up to put on top of these, and I'm going to grate some cheese, and that's what we'll be having for dinner. Oh, I've got my chilli that I made. You also add some spices in from the kit as well, but that's the chilli all done. I thought I'd just share with you what we're having for our lunch today. We're having quite a big lunch because we're not going to be having it our dinner at normal dinner time, so we're having like our biggest meal now. So I've got a salad, which all this lettuce is my own that I grew. Under here we've got tomatoes, cucumber, red, orange and yellow peppers, some spring onion chopped up and some radish, seafood sticks that I've cut in half. We've got some feta cheese and mozzarella cheese. Then we have got, this is pickled beetroot, which is our beetroot, which I pickled way back in October, November last year. It's still going strong, but I think this is the last jar we've got left. Some seafood sauce. I know I can make my own, but I've got this to use up. And then I've got over here, there, so that's going at the bottom. And here we are, so it's all done now, all put together. So that's all the salad, the cheeses, the last bit of the seafood sauce I had in the fridge with some sweet smoked paprika on the top. So we've got Luke's, we've got mine, we've got Chris's, and this is what we're having, say, for our lunch today, but a little bit more sort of substantial lunch. So it'll just be a nice snack tonight.
What I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm